Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to know your PayPal email address. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you need to do is just to open your PayPal account or your PayPal mobile application. And after that, all you need to do is just go to the settings and from there you will find your email address and all your profile information. So basically to do so, if you go home here, and basically this is for the PayPal web page or the web application, and all you need to do is just click on this spring or gear icon, which means the settings, and basically it will take us to account, security, data and privacy, payments, notification, and similar tools. And basically, those are all the elements where you can control your profile or your account. And the one that we are interested in is the account. And basically, by going to account, you will be finding your account's information. So from here, you will find your profile that is showing to other people. That means uh, the link where other people can send uh, money to you, etc., or funds to you. And from here, you will find the email. And basically, the primary, you will find it here. And then you click add to add another email, and you can make it your primary email or any other thing. And once you confirm, you will get a verification code in the email. And after that, you will be needing just to send it, etc., and verify it. So basically and simply, this is how you can get your email address for your PayPal account. And all you need to do, basically that's it. For your mobile app, you can just go to this gear icon or the profile icon, and from there you will find setting or accounts, and then you can do the same steps. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.